Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I have another clean with me video. This is actually Thanksgiving night. We did end up having dinner at my house. We did make a lot of food, so I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning this up. It did take me Thanksgiving night and the next morning to get everything nice and clean. And don't worry, guys, my family did want to help me clean, but I wanted to make this video, so I told them just to clean up after themselves, and if anything was left behind, don't worry about it. I just don't want anybody to think that my family is a slob and they didn't want to help me, but they did want to help. I just told them no, leave everything so I can make this video for you guys.
There's no reason why.
So I just started with picking up all of the stuff that was going in the trash, just to kind of eliminate all of that. And also, I'm only going to be cleaning my kitchen because the night before Thanksgiving, I did end up cleaning the living room and the bathroom. And those areas didn't get dirty, so I'm not going to show that in this video. And if you're hearing a lot of background noise, I do have my daughter right here and my son in the other room. So it's a little bit noisy. I try to minimize the background noise, but I can only do so much, especially with children. And I wanted to let you know, we made so much food. Like, you couldn't even believe how much food we made. It was between my sister, me, my other sister, and my brother, and we made way too much food. But it was awesome because we had so much variety.
Trying something new, just a pastime. I don't think that we ever could work this out. None of it makes sense, there's no reason why. Why I still fall back to you? Why do I fall back to you? Why do I fall back to you? Fall back to you, fall back to you. Why do I fall back to you?
Here I'm trying to put like foods together so I don't have so many of these pans in the fridge. And I also cut out all of the meat from the pork shoulder and the turkey.
Sincero, un Dios el que te enseñó lo que puedes hacer con mi piel. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, si se nos da, yeah, será lo que será, yeah, los dos vamos a matar, yeah, toda esa curiosidad. Baby, si se nos da, yeah, será lo.
I wanted to also wipe down the stove. It was a little bit dirty, but I just wanted it all to be nice and clean. Here I'm trying to fold this small table that my sister brought so we had extra space for the kids.
No quiero nada, pero quieres todo, mujer. Baby, yo te hago soñar algo más rico que la miel, mi droga que te legalicen. No digamos el pecado, que hay cosas que no se dicen. Y en la piel tú y yo jugando, baby, ¿para qué te dices? Y tú solo dices que quieres más, que matemos la curiosidad. Eso hacemos, baby, si se nos da, yeah, será lo que será, yeah, los dos vamos a matar, yeah, toda esa curiosidad. Baby, si se nos da, yeah, será lo que será, yeah, los dos vamos a matar, yeah, toda esa curiosidad. Yeah, aquí viviendo roce, estamos solitos, ellas son más de las 12. Pegándote bien lento, baby, para que tú goces. No somos algo serio, pero bien si me conoces. Yeah, yeah, tú eres el antojo de mi vida. tanto que te pienso ya no encuentro la salida. Pero no somos nada, nada, girl. Pero no somos nada, nada, girl, yeah. Mi droga que te legalice. No digamos el pecado, que hay cosas que no se dicen. Y en la piel tú y yo jugando.
So I ended up putting all of the extra chairs and the table outside on the porch just to get it out the way, because I had so much stuff in this kitchen. It was driving me nuts. And this is actually the next morning. I did end up trying to put all of the dishes away, and I just wanted to finish up what I started last night. The only thing I needed to do was put these dishes away, sweep the floor, and just Swiffer the floor, and then I was done.
Ni seré el último, pero sé que lo gozaré. Pa' serte sincero, un Dios el que te enseñó lo que puedes hacer con mi piel. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, si se nos da, yeah, será lo que será, yeah, nos lo vamos a matar.
So when I do Swiffer the floor in the kitchen is pretty big, so I end up using 2 of these pads just because they get super dirty.
Curiosidad.
And here's just another look at what it looked like on Thanksgiving night.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how. Rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We die.
And here is what it looks like now. And on the drying rack, those are just bottles that I use for my Spanish eggnog I make. So I just wanted to keep them, so when I make more for Christmas, I have some bottles to put them in. Thank you guys for watching my video. Like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't. Bye.
Oh, you miss my touching.